Patricia's friend and local artist Wong Tin Yan has an art gallery just down the street called Form Society. So she took me to meet him, and his friends were setting up their new exhibit.
My name is Wong Tin Yan. I'm a local artist. Mainly use the discarded wood palette to create some wood sculpture. And then after more than 15 years, I want to start a new project. But all of a sudden, just by chance, I found a little shop in the Tai Nan Street in Sham Shui Po. And then I start a new project. It's about an art space. I call it is the name is Form Society. And then it's like alternative art space. Because in Hong Kong, everything is related to money. And then every time if you want to have your own exhibition or you want to do some events, you need to rent for some venue or you need to apply for some funding. But on the other hand, you have some limitation because your funder, maybe they don't like what you're doing, they will stop the fund. On the other hand, we want to have more independent or we can more flexibility on the program we want to do. So that's why I try to run an art space just by my own instead of apply for the funding or use the normal way to run it. So the people when they pass, and also our design of the door, we got a little window, we will always open it, and then the neighborhood when they pass it, we can just say hi to each other without open the door. They can just say hi at the street, and then we don't need to we are really close. And the other interesting thing is every time when we set up the new thing, no matter it's an exhibition or a pop-up bookstore, the neighborhood, they will really curious what happened inside. And then they will come here to ask, hey, what happened? What you're going to do? Is it a restaurant? Is it a woodwork workshop? Something like that. They will come to us because they're really curious about why always is under construction. Yeah, and then it's different from the gallery. You know, when the gallery set up, they may close everything, and then they won't let you to observe. They will just show you the perfect condition. But we are always in a progress. Yeah.